before the show,
buddy,
we had same thought. Like as I'm posting this in the fucking, you sent it to me, and I'm like,
tomorrow on Brand Risk, we've got Gypsy Crusader, white nationalist, fucking crazy motherfucker battling a black guy. We got a legit fucking race war on Brand Risk.
This is a big race war.
And they're like leaning in so heavily into the racial components
it's so
of
funny.
this.
It's
like,
so fucking
it's twisted. I don't know how they're getting away with this sort of shit, but apparently it's going to happen tomorrow. Now, I'm pretty sure Gypsy is going to beat the fucking brakes off this guy. Like, if you saw the face-off, Gypsy Crusader is like a foot taller than him.
Massive.
And like, must have been like 50 or 60 pounds heavier than this fucking guy. So, in the ring, I'm pretty sure this guy's going to get killed. But afterwards, I don't know if Gypsy Crusader is going to be able to leave the arena alive. Okay? Let's have a look at what's going on here.
And by the way, like Gypsy has to win or it's over for his people.
Well, yeah. You know, if Gypsy Crusader gets beat up by a black guy, it's so over, buddy. It'll have never been this over, buddy. Holy.
Wonders for me. But, you know, just for a peace offering, I brought you something. I brought you for you.
Okay. What'd you bring him?
Like, come on, everyone's just like, oh, you know, it's like, ooh, he brought the KFC in? No, buddy, no. Oh, no.
For me and you, you know what I mean? I think
Blueface is beside him. What's going on? 2026 is fucking nuts. Like, it makes no sense. I love it. It's like unhinged.
We really are. Like, everything is off the rails completely.
Yeah, like no one cares about shit anymore.
Nothing even matters anymore. We're just in the timeline of just utter nihilism and depravity, and like, nothing matters anymore, you know?
I think this would be, I know a lot of guys, you know, that are in you guys don't really like me. So I wanted to bring this to show you that
this black guy's about to cry, dude.
I want to be standing in solidarity with the community. Right?
All right.
Hell no, you ain't good. I need that next.
So let me tell you something, brother. Do I got the floor with the chicken? Okay. Go ahead. I have a brother.
I did forget the watermelon.
No, you forgot the watermelon. One of the black guys there starts yelling, yeah, hey, yo, where the fuck the watermelon at? You bring us some fucking chicken, but ain't no fucking watermelon? Are you fucking playing, white boy? What the fuck? You know?
I did forget the watermelon. I forgot the watermelon in the car.
That's whack. That's look.
That's whack.
Wait, whack. Why are you saying where's the watermelon?
Okay, yo, Aiden has the yarmulke, by the way.
You know, so we've got like some Jewish promoter managing a race war between a white person and a black person. It's a little on the nose, no? Like,
you know that guy who interviews, like that young guy who interviews all the boxers? Remember we met him for a second? Remember that guy?
Wade
No, the young guy, the one with blonde hair, that younger, he does all the other interviews. Anyway, he interviewed Gypsy at the boxing ring, and Gypsy, he's like this innocent guy, right? This guy, he's like, so why don't you trust Aiden Ross? He's like, because he wears tiny hats. And then he winks at him, and the guy's just like,
isn't it fucking crazy though? Like every single stream I tune into, whether it's left wing, right wing, apolitical, like everyone's anti-Semitic now.
Yeah.
Do you notice this?
I know.
I'm like, what the fuck is going on,
Everyone
man?
hates
It's
him.
like the weirdest fucking timeline to walk into, where it's just like Cenk Uygur of the Young Turks is like fucking spurging about the JQ. It's like, what is this?
What the fuck?
Holy.
Buddy, that's, yeah, no, everyone is They're not happy with the Jews.
He gave me permission to do it.
Really?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
He told me to do it. He
So
said
the black guys are helping Gypsy be racist?
What is going on?
Wait, what?
They're like, no, we told him to do this. Now, my only reasoning as to why they're being so cool about it is that they're planning on using this as the justification to kill him in the parking lot afterwards.
Yeah.
I don't know how he's gonna get in and out of this arena.
He needs security.
Especially, well, I don't know, man. I'm worried he's gonna get stabbed or shot or a fucking bomb's gonna go off. Like, I don't know.
I think everyone's down with racism now, dude.
it's all right.
That's crazy.
Oh, it's streaming. It's not real life. Oh, okay. My bad. I mean to cut you off, Super Hot. Go ahead.
No, I'm just saying. He acts racist, but he's not.
I assure you, Gypsy is racist. Okay.
If Gypsy isn't racist, then who is?
Yeah, like
Is Hitler even racist then?
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? Like, sir, he's racist. Okay, like this is like, I don't know.
Like what?
My father has 2 kids the same age, me and my brother, and we're not twins. He had 2 women pregnant at the same time. So my mother hates my father.
Black people?
So,
are we beating the allegations, black people? That's about the worst thing you could possibly say to your white supremacist opponent. Yeah, shit. My daddy, he was cheating on my mama. And he had multiple children from multiple baby mamas, and he wasn't in my life. We're not beating the allegations.
Here we have something else from the promo today.
I guess you guys could say it was somewhat goy slop. This is because Larry smacked Dean.
Okay,
and I guess
when the Jews tell you it's goy slop to your face, like what the fuck? Like, how can I even enjoy it? It's just like, listen, goy, here's your goy slop. Like, what? What?
This is actually crazy.
The mask is off, bro. Small hat is on and the mask is off here. Like,
we got no. 2023 or 23 for 5,000 kids. Let's go. Tonight's gonna be hype, guys. Thank you so much. Let's go. Thank you so much.
Is going to settle their beef.
Thank you.
Do you know all about the goy slap, don't you, Aiden?
I know all about the goy slap.
I know you do.
Yep.
Yeah, you're getting the orders from Mossad all the time.
Not
okay,
Mossad.
hold on. So now the black guy has rose up against the Jew to be like, you know all about that.
Wait, was that not
goy
Gypsy?
slap.
I know all about the goy
Oh,
slap.
you do.
Yep.
No, it's
You're
Gypsy.
getting them orders from Mossad
Oh, was it?
all the time.
Okay.
Not Mossad.
Wait,
What?
who is it saying he works for
Orders
Mossad?
from Mossad all the time.
Not Mossad.
I got one more here, what you were saying. Look at the fucking face off, folks. This was set up. This black guy is set in to lose to the white people.
There ain't no way that this guy's beating Gypsy Crusader tomorrow, buddy. Like, look at this shit. This ain't good. He's like so frame mogged, height mogged, size mogged, and experience mogged. Like, Gypsy trains Muay Thai and has been in a bunch of Muay Thai fights. Like, this ain't gonna be good for this guy.
This is crazy. Oh, yeah, by the way,
Oh, man.
a Gypsy does have a lot of threats right now, apparently, too.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
A
Like,
lot of threats.
I don't know. Bro,
Okay.
the black guy knows he's cooked. Like, the way Gypsy's looking in his eyes, just staring him right down. But he's shook.
If you were black and you were him, you'd be shook too.
I don't think this fight's gonna end up happening, is it? Like, this is gonna be fucked.
I can't wait.
Say to each other, you're fucking done. You're gonna need some better these glasses. I don't know if you're gonna be able to
Oh my
see.
god. Bro, he's getting mocked! He's getting mocked, bro! No! No!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh no!
press conference. The press conference, I'm going viral.
Is this like the top male physical form?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I don't think so. Maybe after this.
You don't know.
Oh no!
All right, Urban, you have a good one.
Oh my god!
What?
What a humiliation ritual! How did that guy let himself get punked out like that? There ain't no way.
That's crazy.
Bro, he got clowned, dude.
I was looking for one more funny clip. It was where Aiden was interviewing them and then brought in Cuffham. And then
it has to
and
be,
then Gypsy just started calling him the N-word.
Gypsy has to have agreed to take a dive here, right? They're not just gonna let him knock this guy out and leave, are they? After he did all these humiliation rituals to him here at the face-off, he brought in KFC. Like, it feels like a pro wrestling heel getting all the heel heat on him. Everyone's like, you motherfucker, he insults the local sports team and shit. And then he loses and everyone's happy. There ain't no way he's going to be allowed to walk out
There's
of there.
no way it's a work for Gypsy, at least. Because he's the most racist man ever.
Well, that's but if they paid him enough, if Aiden Ross paid him enough, he would do it.
I don't think he would. Not. I don't think he would.
He really is. He's that guy. He's that guy. He's a fucking lunatic.
I really think you could pay him $1 million to fall and he would not fall.
I don't think he would, to be honest. Like, if he loses, he's finished. He's gonna get killed by his own people if he loses.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
So he's gonna have to figure it out.
I have this quick one here.
I'm not a fighter, nigga. Like, duh. I'm not finna fight him. What the hell? Like, this is like, nigga, you wouldn't fight. What the fuck?
Okay.
Plus, you go give us like 20K. Like, I'm not finna get embarrassed at 20K.
No. You won't get 20K to fight Gypsy.
How much you'll give me to fight Gypsy?
We gotta talk about it off stream.
And you'll give me 6 months. You give me a crazy bag and 6 months to train.
But Gypsy's also need 6 months to train too.
Buddy, I really do want to see Cuffham just get the brakes.
Me too.
Bro. I want to see it so bad. I really do.
Gypsy, 6 months of training to fight Cuffham?
Gypsy, would you fight me?
I've already told Aiden this like 1,000,000 times that if you ever were to get into the ring with me, I'm going to fight you kickboxing or Muay Thai rules, and I'm sending you to the hospital.
But why you not saying nigger?
Holy shit. Whoa. Gypsy's so serious.
I love 2026.
It's the greatest year ever.
It's the best era ever, buddy.
Like, it really is. It makes 2017 era like
buddy,
awful.
This shit, ever since like Trump got reelected, everything's just fucking insane.
Yeah,
like, honestly, like, even before that, like when he was getting shot at and shit, like, ever since that day, things have just been getting crazier and crazier.
Yeah.
I don't know when it's gonna slow down.
I don't think
things are ever gonna be normal again.
We're past the point of return, dude.
I'm confused.
You are a nigger. You are a fucking nigger.
Oh my God. This is on Kick, by the way. Do you hear this, Ash? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
There we go. Now the press conference, say nigger too, all right?
Why? What are you going to do then? You're going to be there?
So are we allowed to drop the hard R on our show? Eddie?
Well, listen, if Aiden blesses it, then it's okay. Let's think. If Aiden Ross says it's okay, then it's okay. But he's not saying it's okay for us, so we're fucked.
I'll text Ed. All right, let's move on because that's a fun segment. That's a fun segment.